Hi, I'd just like to show a quick tutorial of how to make a square bar of acrylic into a round bar. This is the simplest method I can see. All you do is you mark on your centre, you do this with your calipers, should leave a square in the centre. You'll probably not be able to see it. It's a square in the centre, and you just take a punch of some description, and you hammer in a centre. So then you make a jam chuck, what I call a jam chuck. There must be another name for them. All it is a piece of wood, turned, tapered, so the square will fit into it. Just fits in rough like that. Anyway, you put that in your lathe, lock it up, push it into the jam chuck, then wind up your back centre to the centre you've just made. Make sure it's in the centre and the pop you've made. Right, you can give it a bit of pressure into the chuck, like so. Lock your spindle. Then what I do is I take the tool, I use a bullnose tool, high speed steel. I take it into the square part, take a reading on the dial, or I can just move it back and see how it scratches the surface. Try it on another one. It's clear there, so I'll move it in slightly just till it marks the surface. This is so you can, it's just marking the surface there and there and there. Put a little tiny bit on. That will make sure it turns the whole diameter. Then set it away around about 850 roughly. If you do it too fast, the acrylic starts to melt. Anyway, there we go. And we just set it away, turning. And the square bar is turned into a round bar. You take the cuttings off at the end. It's a bit of a menace the way they wrap round. You'll be obviously punching other ones ready with the centre in to do the next one. But this is the sort of, this is what you're left with after that operation. All you do is go back into your 3-jaw chuck and just take a reading on there, spare tool along, and it's finished. That's all you need to do. I'll let this run through just to show you what it looks like at the end. Also make fixtures, jigs like this for turning whatever it is, a pen or whatever it is on the end. Put them on, and I make them so that before I put the tubes on, I've got jigs to fit before I put the tubes on, so I can test the material, and if it's okay then I glue them. I don't glue them until I've turned them near to where the diameter is I want to be. But I'll do a one later and show you. Wait till it's about half an inch up the jam chuck. So, stop, give it a little touch back, just take it out of the chuck, as simple as that, and this swarf here should just come off and you're left with a nice round shiny piece. You stick that back into your chuck, just take a reading on there like I say, same reading that was on here, and just turn it along and the job will be finished. Well, that's the end of my quick tutorial on how to do it. I can't think of any easier way to do it. It only takes a minute to do it, the most, a minute. Some people seem to have trouble with that. I'll do a tutorial and showing you how to drill. I drill and put on my fixtures later. Thank you very much.